What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of the RX-7 build. This is part 2 of the, technically episode 4, part 2 of the rebuild part. And in today's episode, we are going to be making a new gasket because I am too broke to buy a whole new kit. So we're going to be making a gasket, and that's going to go on there. I'm going to be getting some new parts, like this valve that's broken, and yeah, I'll be recording as much as I can and getting this video out. So I hope you guys enjoy whatever I film. I'll be better at filming this time, hopefully. So yeah. Alright, so I got the gasket traced out on this material. It's a little bit different, but it should do the job. It's also like a little bit thicker, so hopefully that doesn't like affect anything, and maybe it'll like seal it better. But I got it all traced out as best as I could. Then I'll just have to cut it carefully. And I don't know how much of that I'll be able to record because like I need 2 hands for that. So, but yeah, here's the gasket all traced out and stuff.
That's what I have on my plate right now, so. You can figure it out.
Alright, so I got it most of the way done. I only have that hole, that one, and that one. I used these things to punch out these holes that are right here. And yeah, that worked very well, and they're pretty good. I just need to cut out the bigger ones because it isn't working. It's just indenting the wood and not going through. So it just does something like this, which just, yeah, it just isn't going through all the way. So I got to do those ones by hand, but it's coming along pretty good so far. So yeah, I'll show it to you when it's all done now. All right, so I got it done, and let's see how it fits. So that pops in there, pops in there. Looks like it fits exactly how it's supposed to. So that's a good thing. So yeah, it fits. Now we just need to like, get it all back together, get this back on here, and all that fun stuff, and there we go. Then, well, I need to order a part. That'll be here eventually. But yeah, got this stuff all done. Then just put it back together, put it on, and hopefully it'll run. So yeah. Alright, so I found out that these are actually stuck on there. Not stuck on there, well, they won't turn or open up like they're supposed to. So I have to figure out how to open this up. So yeah, I'm gonna take this entire thing off. Then all like the plastic stuff like these and stuff like that, put them in here, get this all cleaned up because you can tell that it's like pretty dirty. And then yeah, hopefully those will be able to open up again, which would be very nice. I'm glad I noticed this now instead of putting it on the car and then realizing that these don't open. So yeah, gotta get this done. Alright, now I got all the main stuff off, got this off, got all that stuff off. Now I just need to make the solution with this, that, put it in there, and then turn it on, get it warmed up, and then put this in for 30 minutes, then this will be done. But here's a before of it. It's all like dirty and stuff like that, and here's all dirty. Yeah. It's gonna be all nice and clean afterwards. So now I just have to mix this. Oh, put this in there, and then put that in there. Then yeah, it should be good to go. All right, I got all the stuff in here. I just need to put that in there, plug it in, turn it on. But I got myself a rev up. Yeah. If you want to get yourself some rev up, go to revupenergy.com and use code Marius10 for 10% off of your order. But yeah, it's really good. I like it a lot. But yeah, this is coming along pretty nicely. Just need to put this in there. I would use the cage thing, but it doesn't fit. So yeah, just gotta put it in here and then get it all started up. So yeah, let me just plop it in real quick.
Kaboom!
All right, there we go. All right, now this set to the right time. All I have to do is hit this. Oh, nope, not that. We have to hit that. And then there we go. And then put the top on. And then put the top on that. And then there we go. All right, just pulled it out. It's all nice and clean now. Like it still has some stuff, but that just isn't gonna come off. And these, they still won't open. So I gotta figure that out. Like you can see, if you look, you see there's a crack up there. But if it'll focus, yeah, there's a crack up there. But if you look, there's no crack. So it's only at the top. So it's not breaking free anywhere else. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. So, I don't think it's supposed to do that. All right, so I finally got it free. I basically just yanked on it as hard as I could. And I wouldn't stop until it either broke or broke free. And thankfully it broke free because it would have sucked if it broke. But with that, the head came off when I tried to take it off. So that sucks. I might just leave it, but if I could find something to replace it and get that out, then I will. But yeah, finally got it to break free. My hands hurt, but yeah, I got it. All right, so I got the carb fully back together and everything fits really good. So that's good. I'm gonna be putting it back on the car tomorrow and hopefully it will not leak. I'm waiting for another part, so I can't start it yet, but I will definitely be able to install this tomorrow and then like turn it over to see if it leaks, and if it leaks, where from. But I made the gasket. It fits perfectly, actually. So that's good. And yeah, it's all fully back together and ready to go back on. So that's good. All right, so we are back with the car. Got the carburetor, the other parts in there. We're looking up a video because we don't really know what goes in this. So we're gonna figure that out. And yeah, it's gonna be going on today. Yeah. All right, now the carburetor is back on the car and we're just putting in these right here to mount it to that. Well, he is. This is Matthew. You probably remember him from the last video. But yeah, coming along nicely. I don't know if we'll have enough time to finish it today, but we're definitely gonna try. Then right down there, right there, is where we're gonna be putting that one part whenever it gets here. So yeah. All right, so we got it on. We just cranked it and there was no massive leaks down there like there was last time. This was leaking a little bit, but we just tightened it, so hopefully that fixes it. And yeah, we're gonna be trying to crank it again to see what happens. All right, I'm about to try and start it for the first time, and here we go. You guys ready? It started. Alright, so yeah, the car runs now. That's very good. Runs really rough. I have somebody coming in a little bit, a couple weeks, to help me tune the carburetor and get that all nice and running. And yeah, hopefully she'll be on the road eventually. But I'll keep filming stuff, like whenever I do stuff. Like I gotta replace the belt and the alternator. I just need to get the alternator. I already got the belt, so yeah. So it's been awesome. I'm so glad to start it up. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and just stay tuned for whenever the next video comes out.